All right, guys, let me break this down for you. So I've made millions online over the last few years with this specific method. Now, when it comes to making money online, you need something to offer. So usually, like you might go to some sort of store, like an e-commerce store or a landing page where there's like a video, someone's offering something up. It might be a course, it might be a supplement product, it might be a service, right? You need something to offer. But the problem is, and this is the problem that I had when I was first starting online, is you probably have no experience on how to actually create any of this stuff. You don't know where to start. You don't know what to do or anything. Well, that's when a thing called affiliate marketing comes into play. So we can actually go ahead and find these products that are already made and we can promote these. So we can actually send people to these pages. This is a human, and we send them to these pages. When they make a purchase, what happens is we get, so this is you down here, very bad image, but whatever. This is you down here. And then this is the vendor, the person who owns the product. Now, usually it's going to be about 50%. So this person who made the product, they're going to get their 50%, okay? And then you're going to get your 50% as well from promoting that product. And what this does is it cuts out so much work and cost and time for you because you can just go and promote these products straight away. But the thing is now, it's much easier to do this with AI, and I'm going to break down exactly a strategy that we can use to get this done. And this is really advanced stuff that we are now using in our business. I'm actually doing this exact stuff that I'm showing you. So let's get into this and break this down for you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to a website called ClickBank.com, and you want to sign up to ClickBank.com. And the reason why is because this is where we're going to have all of our offers. And what I mean by that, we'll just do a quick overview real quick. Let's just click on top offers for now and have a look here, but I'll show you some other niches. We can go here and we can find these specific products. A lot of the top products are health products that people promote on Facebook and stuff like that. But for example, this sleep product here, we can go down here and we can see that there's 90 people that have made a sale with this in the last, I think it's 30 days or 90 days, I can't remember. And they are making around about 130 or whatever per thing. This one here, we got all the information as well, this one here, right? And all you do is you go to, well, there's a few things you can do. You can view the sales page, you can view the affiliate page, and you can go get affiliate link. So we go get affiliate link here, and you put in your affiliate name, and then you go continue. Now this one, you need approval. So I'll find one where you don't need approval right here. I put in my username, and we go like that. And it's gonna give us a link down here that we can promote, okay? So this is really, really cool. We can go ahead and promote that link. And this is a sales page here for this one. When someone goes to this sales page, they make a purchase, you're going to make a commission. Now, you see here how detailed this page is. If you're starting from scratch, trying to promote a product, you have to go through and make all of this, and it just takes weeks and time and so much energy, right? So when you're brand new and you're a complete beginner to making money online, this is not the best way to do it. The best way is to promote it as an affiliate, not go and make this yourself. And that's going to get your foot in the door to actually trying to make money online. All right, so what you want to do is you want to sign up to ClickBank, and there's products that you can promote, and we'll come back to this in a second on what type of products we want to promote. But you can go into all sorts. There's like home and garden. This one does really well here. There's all sorts of different ones that you can go ahead and promote. Now, what we've just done is we've gone ahead and we have essentially found a product source, okay? So we're just gonna use this whiteboard here as our kind of back and forward on what we're gonna do. So we'll just put P here, and we'll put P here, and we'll put P for product, okay? We've found a product that we want to promote. The next thing is we need to find a traffic source. So we have a product up here. We now need to feed traffic to that product page, okay? So you have to do this at scale, a specific method I'm talking about. And what I mean by scale is you have to do a lot of this, and I'll explain to you what I mean. So you want to go ahead and start a Pinterest page, okay? Just go to Pinterest and start a page on a specific topic. In this specific topic, we're gonna just talk about health. So start a Pinterest page, and just name it health something, right? The next step is you want to go to this. I'll leave this below. We are going to use this in Claude, and this is going to give us every single thing we need to pump traffic to our affiliate links, okay? So you want to copy this and you want to change, so I've put in health here. You can change this to whatever topic you want, okay? So I want you to analyze a group of Pinterest pins in the niche topic of health. So I'm going to go and post this into Claude, and it should come back and ask us to feed it some examples from Pinterest, okay? So we'll see what it says, and it has. So it says upload 5 to 15 pins for a meaningful pattern analysis across sections 9, 12, including pins, competitor accounts, etc. So I've actually already done that, but I'll take a couple more. What we want to do is we want to focus on these kind of like these habit ones and stuff like that, healthy foods and stuff like that. So I'm going to take a snapshot of that one as well, and we're basically just going to upload these to Claude. And like I said, you need to do this at scale. The reason why is because that's how you get a ton of traffic. Okay, if you're not going to do this at scale, it's not going to work. So just go to Pinterest, put in your niche, and take snapshots of specific pins that we're going to actually go ahead and recreate, and then upload those pins to Claude. So I've uploaded 4 here, and what Claude's going to do is it's going to give us a full, like, it's pretty crazy. It sometimes does things different, but you should be amazed at what this can actually do. Now, keep in mind, back in the day, 6-7 years ago, when I was really heavy into this sort of stuff, we literally had to pay people to create these for us, and it took weeks. We couldn't do it at volume. We couldn't post hundreds and hundreds of these. It was virtually impossible to do. But now it's much easier because we can use Claude to do this for us. So basically, Claude should essentially give us a full plan, breakdown, everything that we need to do. So I'll let it finish and I'll come back. All right, so Claude is really getting into this right now. So I'll show you so far what it's done, but this is really, really intense. So it basically gives you a breakdown of every single pin, the design. I'm not going to read through all of this, but you can when you do yours. The headline, the copy, the hook, the breakdown, affiliate marketing, monetization, signals. It's like really deep. This stuff gets really, really deep. And I don't think people understand nowadays that we didn't have this back in the day. Like we had to grind. This is so much easier. And so now we got reusable patterns across all pins. It essentially gives us headlines that we can potentially use, layouts, color schemes, just, 10 curiosity-based hook formulas. It's absolutely insane on what this can do. It's mind-blowing to me. So we go down here, and what it starts to do is it starts to actually read all that, and it's given us these, it starts to go pin performance scores, and it gives us, headline formulas, etc. And then it goes down, so competitor gaps to exploit, top 5 actions to take immediately. And essentially it says pin D is your benchmark. So it's basically said the D is the one that stands out. Now, usually when I put this specific prompt in, it gives me the next steps, right? So it hasn't done that. So what I'm going to say is now give me a 10-day schedule and create pins based off the benchmark. Now, usually, I don't know why it's done it. Claude's not perfect. Usually it would give me, once I put this in, unless I didn't actually put the whole thing in. Once I put this in, it usually has the next steps. I could have a button to go, okay, do this, do that, do this. So it hasn't done that, but that's okay, because we just type in, now give me a 10-day schedule and create pins based on the benchmark. So now it's going to create pins based on that benchmark and based on its own information, right? So it said that pin D is probably going to have the highest click rate, very high save rate, and very high conversation rate. And so now we can start to train Claude on this benchmark, right? This is our benchmark. So pin D, I don't know what one that is, but Claude knows what one that is. So let's just assume it's probably going to be the one at the end, right? A, B, C, D. So Claude's going to go ahead and it's going to basically create a business for us, and we can follow what Claude does. We can even set Claude up to do all of the posting for us if we like, but you want to just start off doing it manually because otherwise it gets too complicated. So I'm going to come back when this is finished and we will see what it's come back with. All right, guys. So I had a bit of an issue. For some reason, it was giving me these images in HTML. And I said, why are you doing that? We don't want HTML. So what it's done is it's given us a schedule, a 10-day schedule. And every single schedule has a different image that we can use, right? So it's basically given us everything we need. So I'm just going to snapshot this. Or you could download it, whatever. So you can click download, but I just want to snapshot it because it's easier for me to. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that. So you can actually put the website down here. Anyway, I'll download it, and then basically we can now go and post that, and you can essentially get it to change it or whatever you want to do. But keep in mind, this is optimized for Pinterest based off that benchmark. Okay, that's really important to understand. So now, you've got a 10-day schedule, okay? And it even tells you, right, like repost variant, new board, conversion push, add affiliate CTA, all this sort of stuff. It tells you everything that you need to do. So now the next step is you want to go ahead and go back to here and find a specific product, right, that we can use. So we're going to go top offers here. We'll go health and fitness because what we're doing here is we are promoting health and fitness, okay? And we want to go find a product. So we'll just, this is one of the top products here. So we're going to go get affiliate link and we're going to get our affiliate link, okay? All right, we've got our affiliate link. So copy your affiliate link. And then what you want to do is you want to go to like a website called linktree.com. And what this is going to do is you post your affiliate link. So let me show you what it does. Oh, my thing isn't here. I actually had a link there. It's gone. That's really weird. Huh. If we go up here and we click on, the Linktree kind of does this. It puts links. It's like a bridge, okay? Because you can't just post affiliate links. So create a link tree with your affiliate link. Once you've done that, we actually want to go back to Pinterest. And I'm going to say, Claude, give me SEO optimized headline and description for, oh my God, for day one, okay? And it's going to give us a headline and description. So now we go to Pinterest and we simply go and upload our pin. So we go to create pin and we're going to upload the pin. We're going to put in our image. So our image is now there and we're going to go back to here and it's given us a headline. We're going to copy that headline. We're going to go in here. We're going to put that headline into here. We're going to go back. We're going to now take this here, okay? And we're going to copy this. And this is crazy. We used to have to type this all ourselves. So it's basically given us all of the optimization that we need. And then we put our website here. So you can put your Linktree website. So let's just assume that you've gone and created a Linktree and you've got your link in here. I'm going to copy my Linktree link, which this isn't Linktree, but it's the same format. And we're going to post it in, we're going to go back to Pinterest. We're going to post add link here. And then we can also add a link here, okay? And then publish. So now we have this pin here, and then people click on it and go to view site, and it's going to go to our affiliate link that we have, or our bridge affiliate, right? So our affiliate link would be here. And it's that simple. And the thing you need to do is you need to post at scale, okay? So now we just go, hey, now give me SEO for day 2. And it's going to give you SEO for day 2, the day 2 image that we have up here. So it's got day 2, etc. So that it's that simple. And then, but you need to do this at scale, right? And what I mean by that, if you don't understand what that means, is we have the product, we have the traffic source now, we have Claude that is going to help us get that traffic, but now we have to do it at scale. And I'm talking post 20 images a day, okay? You can set Claude up to do that. That's more advanced. So make sure you subscribe and we'll jump into that more advanced stuff later on, but you need to do at scale, all right? It's that simple. And now it's done day 2. I simply go to Pinterest and I can post that, or I can set up Claude to do that for me. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.